Okay, good morning, dear students. In the previous video, uh, we solved exercise sums and we learned representation of irrational numbers on the number line. Yes or no? Okay, fine. We represented root 2, root 3, root 5 on the number line. Now, dear children, in this video, we are going to learn real numbers and their decimal expansions. So, we know that real numbers, it is the collection of rational and irrational together. Okay? So, real numbers, it is the collection of rational and irrational together. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. Together called real numbers. Okay. Today we will study decimal expansion of rational numbers and irrational numbers. In other words, we study the decimal expansion of real numbers. First, we study the decimal expansion of rational numbers. Okay, consider the rational numbers. 10 divided by 3 is a rational number. 7 by 8 is a rational number. 1 by 7 is a rational number. So, to get the decimal expansions of these three rational numbers, divide the numerator by denominator. Okay? Yes, start the division process. Starting with the rational number 10 by 3. To find its decimal expansion, divide the numerator by denominator 3. Okay? See, start the division process. 3 ja 9. 10 minus 9 1 0. Put a quotient, put a point in the quotient. Take one more 0. Again 3 ja 9. 10 minus 1 9 1 0. Again there is a point already given, write 0, which is near to 10 in 3 table 9. 3 ja 9. Again it is 1 point, write 0. 3 ja 9 1 0. So dear children, the division process not ends. Every time we obtain the remainder 1. It goes on. Division process not ends. And here in the quotient, the digit 3 starts repeating itself. So the decimal expansion of this rational number 10 by 3 is 10 divided by 3. Its decimal expansion is 3.3333 so on. Okay? Then consider the rational number 7 by 8 is a rational number. To find its decimal expansion, divide 7 by 8. Okay, divide 7 by 8. Clearly, 7 is smaller than 8 in division process. That dividend, this is called dividend. Dividend should be greater than the divisor. So how to make it greater than 8? By putting a decimal in the quotient and write here 0. Okay, then which is near to 70 in 8th table? 8 ja 8 ja 64. Okay, fine. Subtract 0 minus 4 6, 7 minus 7, it is 0. We are already given decimal point in the quotient place, so write one more 0, which is near to 60. 8 7 ja 56. 0 minus 6 4, carry 1. 6 minus 6 0. There is a decimal, write one more 0, which is 8. How much? 40. Yes, it is 8 5 ja 40. So division process is completed now here. In this case division process is not completed, but in this case division process is completed. So now the decimal expansion of 7 by 8 is 0.875. Okay, then 1 minute dear children. Okay, dear children, can we divide 10 by 3? The decimal expansion is 3.333, so on. Means division process not ends, and its decimal expansion is like this. So 3.333, so on. It goes on like this. The digit 3 is repeating. Yes. Consider the rational number 7 divided by 8. Its decimal expansion is 0.875. Okay, division process is completed. Yes. Then consider the third rational number 1 by 7. To find its decimal expansion, divide that numerator by 7, denominator. Let's start the division process. So now here it is smaller than 7. To make it greater than the divisor, put a quotient, put a decimal in the quotient, then write 1 0. Now it is greater than divisor. Then start the division process. 7 1 ja 7, 3, 1 minus 1 0. We already given a decimal in the quotient place. Then write one more 0, which is near to 30 in 7th table. 28. 7 4 ja 28. 0 minus 8, that is 10 minus 8 is 2. Carry 1. 3 minus 3, that is 0. Okay. Then point, write one more 0. 7 2 ja 14. 0 minus 4 6, 0. Decimal, write one more 0. 7 8 ja 56. Yes or no? 0 10 minus 6 4, 6 minus 6 0. Decimal, write one more 0. 7 5 ja 35. 0 minus 5 5. 4 minus 4 0. Decimal, write 0. 7 7 ja 49. 0 minus 9, 1, 0, 0.0, 7 1 ja 7, 0 minus 7, 3, 0. Okay? Then observe here, dear children, division process not ends 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After this, again it is repeating 1. After, if you continue the division process, the next digit is 4. After that 2. After that 8. After that 5. After that 7. Okay? Then you continue the division process. Then again you will get 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 digits starts repeating themselves. Division process is not completed. But in the decimal expansion, these 6 digits starts repeating. It goes on like this. So the decimal expansion of 1 by 7. The decimal expansion of 1 by 7 is 0.142857. Again 142857, so on. Yes or no? So now, dear children, observe very carefully. 10 divided by 3, its decimal expansion is 3.33333. Division process is not completed. Yes, and the digit 3 starts repeating. Yes, such kind of decimal expansion is terminating decimal expansion. This is called terminating decimal expansion. Sorry, not terminating. Just a minute, dear children. This is called, here the division process ends. In this case, division process ends now. This is called, such decimal expansion is called terminating decimal expansion. Terminating means division process completed. Yes, division process ends. That is why we use here the word terminating decimal expansion. This is terminating decimal expansion. The rational number 7 divided by 8 has which kind of decimal expansion? It is terminating decimal expansion. Consider here. So division process is not completed and the digit 3 is repeating now. Such kind of decimal expansion is called non-terminating means division process not completed. That's why non-terminating. Recurring means repeating. Non-terminating, recurring decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. The rational number 10 divided by 3, its decimal expansion is of the kind non-terminating, recurring decimal expansion. Yes, division process not completed, so non-terminating. Recurring means the digit 3 is repeating now. That is why here I use the word recurring. Clear? Here, division process ends, decimal expansion completed, so terminating. There are no repeating digits, so write terminating decimal expansion. Yes. Dear children, what can you say about the decimal expansion of 1 by 7? This is its decimal expansion. Okay? What kind of decimal expansion it is? Yes, division process not completed. See, and some digits, these 5 digits starts repeating themselves, it follows a pattern. Such kind of decimal expansion is called division process not completed. So non-terminating, and the string, this string of the digits start repeating now. Non-terminating, recurring decimal expansion. Okay, dear children. So if you take any rational number in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q is not equal to 0. If you take any rational number, it has two kinds of decimal expansion. One is terminating decimal expansion, or another type of decimal expansion is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. So dear students, keep in your mind that rational number has a decimal expansion of two kinds. Rational numbers, they are in the form of p by q. P and q are integers, q is not equal to 0. Such numbers are called rational numbers. Okay, these are the examples of rational numbers. So when you divide the numerator by denominator, you will get two kinds of decimal expansion. That is, one is terminating decimal expansion. In short, I write TDE, that denotes terminating decimal expansion, means division process completed. Or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. So in these two ways, a decimal expansion of a rational number occurs. Either terminating decimal expansion, that is division process ends, this is terminating decimal expansion, or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion, division process not completed and digits starts repeating. For example, 1 by 7 and here 10 divided by 3. Here also division process not completed, so non-terminating, and the digit 3 starts repeating now, so recurring decimal expansion. So this is about rational numbers and their decimal expansion. Okay, the decimal expansion of rational numbers is of two kinds. One is terminating decimal expansion, division process ends. Another one is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion, division process not ends, and digits, sum of the digits starts repeating themselves. So such kind of decimal expansion is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. This is the example of non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. This is the example of non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. This is the example for terminating decimal expansion, because division process completed. Clear? Okay. One minute, dear children. Here see, this, which digit is repeating? The digit 3 is repeating now here. So this we can write 3.3 bar. Write a bar over 3, which means the digit 3 is repeating. 3.3 bar means 3.33333. Instead of writing 3333, just write bar over the repeating digit. Which is the repeating digit? Only one, that is 3. So write 3 and write bar over that digit. Clear? And here we cannot use that bar because this is terminating and there are no digits starts repeating. So don't use the bar here. And here, this this we can write 0. How many digits are repeating? 1, 2. Okay, dear children, see here. This is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion now. Okay, when we divide 1 by 7, this is its decimal expansion. Observe the decimal expansion. Division process not completed. Division process not completed. And this block repeating. How many digits are there in this block? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 digits starts repeating. This we can write. We have to write all the 6 digits. Yes, write bar over all the 6 digits. Means those all digits are repeating in the decimal expansion of the rational number 1 divided by 7. This is the way of representing repeating the digits. Write the repeating digits and write the bar over those. Clear? So this is about the decimal expansion of rational numbers. Yes, how many kinds it has? 2 kinds. One is terminating decimal expansion, division process ends. This is an example. Or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion, division process not completed, so non-terminating, and digit starts repeating, so here we use the word recurring, non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. So rational number has 2 kinds of decimal expansion. Okay, dear children, pause the video. Yes, write the notes. I will give you 2 to 3 minute time. Okay, right now. So, dear children, see here 10 divided by 3. When we divide 10 by 3, what do we obtain? 3.3333, so on. So, which kind of decimal expansion it is? Division process is not completed. So, means non-terminating, and the digit 3 is repeating now. Recurring decimal expansion. Yes. How to give, what is the name of this decimal expansion? This type of decimal expansion? Non-terminating. Why it is non-terminating? Division process not completed. That is why non-terminating. Recurring. Why it is recurring? The digit 3 is repeating. Recurring decimal expansion. Okay? Then see this one. This we can write. How many digits are repeating? Yes, think how many digits are repeating? Only one digit. Which is that digit? 3. So how to write this in short form? That is 3 point. The digit 3 is repeating now. Write that 3 and write bar over that repeating digit. 3.3 bar means the digit 3 starts repeating. Okay? Okay, division process is completed. Yes, you seen before. There are no repeating digits. So this type of decimal expansion is terminating. Terminating means division process is completed. Division process is completed. Decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. Okay? Then see here. Division process is not completed. It goes on. Observe the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 digits repeating themselves. They goes on themselves. So which kind of decimal expansion it is? Non-terminating. Non-terminating. Because of division process not completed. See a dash 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 means it continues. Recurring. Recurring or repeating. Recurring means because these are repeating decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. Okay? So we exhibit one more property of rational number about its decimal expansion. So decimal expansion of rational number is of two kinds. One is terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. This is the kinds of decimal expansion. These are the two kinds of decimal expansion of rational number. Clear? Okay, dear children, see here one more pattern. I will write one more pattern that I would like to write here. Just a minute, I will rub this. See this pattern. 1.23045987635146875. So this thing goes on like this. So observe the pattern very carefully. So division process is not completed because dash dash is there now. Division process is not completed. Is there any repeating digits in this decimal expansion? Observe. Okay, there are no repeating digits. Then what kind of decimal expansion this has? Yes, division process is not completed now. So non-terminating, and none of the digits starts repeating. So non-recurring decimal expansion. Rational number, when you divide p by q, its decimal expansion is of 2 points: terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Either division process ends. If not ends means digit starts repeating. So rational number has only two kinds of decimal expansion. Observe this decimal expansion. I don't know which number decimal expansion. This is non-terminating, not completed division process, and there are no recurring digits. So means non-recurring decimal expansion. So this is the decimal expansion of irrational number. This is the decimal expansion of irrational number. For example, root 2. Clear? So root 2 is an irrational number, no? Its decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring. Means there are no repeating digits. So such kind of decimal expansion that irrational number has. Clear? If you consider another irrational number root 3, its decimal expansion is 1.71324516287054 and 3212 so on. Means the decimal expansion of this irrational number, root 3 is irrational number, no? Its decimal expansion is non-terminating and there are no repeating digits. So which kind of decimal expansion it is? Non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-recurring means there are no repeating digits. Non-recurring decimal expansion. So irrational numbers have only one kind of decimal expansion, that is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. And rational numbers, they have two kinds of decimal expansion, either terminating decimal expansion, division process ends, or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion, that is division process not completed but digit starts repeating. So the decimal expansion of rational number is of only two kinds. The decimal expansion of irrational number. Yes, this is the decimal expansion of irrational number. This is also root 3 is also irrational number. Its decimal expansion is like this. So division process not completed, so non-terminating. No digits are repeating, so non-recurring. So non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. So if a decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring, then that is of irrational number. Yes, if a decimal expansion is terminating, and that is of rational number. If a decimal expansion is non-terminating, recurring, that is of rational number. Clear? If a decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring, that is of irrational number. So this is about decimal expansion of irrational numbers. Okay? This is the decimal expansion of rational numbers, irrational numbers and decimal expansion. Okay? Okay, dear children, wait a minute. I will give you short note. I will write some notes on board. You have to copy those statements. Okay, just a minute, wait. Okay, dear children, finally we will differentiate irrational numbers from rational numbers in all categories. That is, first, rational numbers can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, belongs to integers, q is not equal to 0. These irrational numbers which we cannot write in the form of p by q, so these are irrational numbers. Examples: root 3, root 5, root 11, root 5. These are the examples of irrational numbers. These are the examples of rational numbers: p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. And even every natural number, every whole number, every integer is a rational number, that we were discussed in our previous video. Yes. So these are the examples of rational numbers. These are the examples of irrational numbers. So about the decimal expansion, see, the decimal expansion of rational number is of two kinds. Just we studied through the examples. It has two kinds of decimal expansion. One is terminating decimal expansion, another one is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Okay? And the decimal expansion of irrational number is of only one kind, that is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. Okay? So here 3.106, 1006, 13006, 1406. So non-recurring, division process not completed, it goes on. So non-terminating, and this is non-recurring, dear children. So there are no repeating digits. If you consider 106, these three digits, next string should be 106, but there is no 106. Next string is 1006. So 106 is different from 1006. Okay. If you consider 1006, this string, but next string is not 1006. See here, that is 1006. Okay, so means there are no repeating, there is no recurring. So this is non-terminating, non-recurring. So this is the decimal expansion of irrational number. Just tell me what kind of decimal expansion? This one, 3.142. Which kind of decimal expansion that is? Obviously, division process ends. Division process ends means terminating decimal expansion. This is terminating decimal expansion. So this corresponds to rational number or irrational number. Terminating decimal expansion corresponds to which rational number? Terminating decimal expansion corresponds to rational number. Consider the decimal expansion 3.5353535353 so on. What kind of decimal expansion it is? Observe, division process is not completed and the digits 535353 starts repeating. So this is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Which number it represents? It represents rational number, because the decimal expansion of rational number is of two kinds. One is terminating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. This we can write 3.53. These two digits are repeating now. Write bar over the two digits, means 53 is repeating again and again. Okay, clear? So then tell me one more. 9.8 bar. Which kind of decimal expansion it is? Think. This we can write 9.8888 so on. So means it is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. So means it corresponds to rational numbers. Understood? So these two kinds of decimal expansions corresponds to rational numbers, or in other words, rational number has two kinds of decimal expansion. This kind of decimal expansion corresponds to irrational number. Which kind? Non-terminating, non-recurring. Or irrational number has non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. So dear children, this is about real numbers and their decimal expansion. In the next video, we will solve the exercise questions based on decimal expansion and this pattern. Clear? Right.